Excellency viewers, good evening. Today our topic is repairing the water cooler nets, because your water cooler is using full years after is damaged some parts, and especially this nets. This is a frame of the cooler. Use the three frames. Dear viewers, this is frame of the water cooler. Now, how can I repair it at home? Because if you send in the market, may be very expensive. Sometimes you buy one steel net, steel wire net, buy and keep one side like this, and second, I am telling you before, now I teach you and you learn this frame making at home. So I am telling you about this frame, which important material you use in the making frame. First, this is net, steel net first of all. Second, this is frame, actual frame of the your cooler, and this is cotton or cloth net, made in is a thread, is a elastic, and also the flexible. You keep on the frame upside. This net keep downside, and after you put there a frame, and second put the this cloth net. This is our material which use. It's called the chuff. You can see chuff, but this is chuff of the wood timber. One plant chuff. Now this chuff is a very important role performed in cooling the your cooler. And now I keep one piece here, and second you wet it, put on the water like this, because this is a dust, inside have a dust. But if you put here some water, and this dust is dry, I mean dry. The chuff of wood, and I buy from the market, and you can buy from the market like this. And after put on the water, because one piece, because this is now very soft. Before it is very rough, now very soft. And if you fix it very like this, it is sit on the original place. Dear viewers, this is very cheap, not expensive. Only you buy from the market this chuff, and this steel net bring, and this cloth net also bring. Okay, this is protection, because this is chuff not go outside. Now put one piece in all areas like this. After you check, no any empty area like here. All area filled with the chuff properly, because air crossing is very important. Because you not put more, you not put less, because maybe here maybe hole, this hole not good, because water crossing whole area going to downside. It is one piece, and we use in one cooler three pieces like this. Now we already completed in all sides. No any area is empty. Check first of all. Okay, empty area, put one piece, and this almost approximately is completed. All chuff I put on the frame, in no anything outside. This is our frame, and this is our cotton, cloth cotton. This cloth cotton, now I, according to the size, extra I cut here from this area. I use the scissors and scissor is very good because you not use the blade. Blade is very dangerous or cut your hand maybe. You see, this is very strong because very durable. This is nylon material, very durable. You use it 1 year maybe. And second is this net is one cover, and second cover is a steel net. This steel net also very useful because it is protection. Now you see this all area is complete, and now cut from here with the scissor, steel. Now my dear viewers, you maybe understand the basic preparation of the one frame properly, because now I complete it. Is a basic, not complicated, very easy. You can make this material bring from the market, and after you put this material here, and after fix, and all areas, four sides is closed with this net and this nylon both, and try to join each other, and frame is empty because you fix on the cooler. Maybe if you put here extra, maybe you frame not fix original place, because frame is have a specific place, but this extra may be trouble for you for fitting. But now you see this already frame is completed. Now I make use the one plastic. Give me one. Dear viewers, this is a, you can see this is a thread, plastic thread, not thread, is a plastic. This is our homemade needle. Okay, now I put this thread here. You see, you can see this actual method why I put this viewers. I tie this thread strongly, and tie with 2-3 times in one area, because the chaff not fell and not go outside in approximately 3 places. But it depends on the how much volume. Volume means how much size. Means this is medium size. One size is very big, one size is very small. But mostly use the 3 area I check like this tie, because very enough this area, because maybe the chaff and this net joined each other properly, because if you tie with properly and strongly, and this life going day by day increase, because approximately 1 year, 6 months, 8 months during the summer he help you. And same I tie this area 4 side. You can see our knitting. You can see knitting as stitches. Our stitches this area. Pull like this, full pull, and no any empty area in the corners. Again and again I put this plastic thread in the needles, because one piece, not continuous, slowly, and one place like this tie, because one place tie and cut, and again put into the hole and again start second tie. Approximately one sided three places we tie this area because not loose, not more loose because too much tight all areas because use here water machine throw water here because water with this all chuff and after fan start and he give you cool and fresh air in the summer night and you sleep with peaceful and happily. Okay. My excellency viewers, actually our aim is a save money. This is our method, this is our aim, this is I tell you this is small video I prepare for you because you only buy, you purchase the market this net, steel net, this plastic, my small cloth net also buy and this stuff you bring from the market and cheap price and you prepare it at home because if you go in shops and he charge from you more wages, but if you learn one time you prepare self money for your families and this money is you use in other place in your family and family maintenance. But you know this use the 1 year, every 1 year you need this make this the net, make the net because every year if you learn well better for you. I hope you understand my meaning because viewers, our actual aim is you save money, you prepare you prepare this net at home time, save money and durable according to your desire, according to your wish because you use hair material and I hope you understand what I am saying. Actually our object is only teach you because this expense every you save your expense. This is our main motto. If you use this method and you understand and I am successful because if my viewers get the advantage and benefit, our main aim is I give the good videos our viewers every 1 week, every 15 days after because you are my dearest and very close viewers because you know if you have a technical, your mind is technical, you save money for you and that money you spend on your children and for your own health on you buy the other things on this money, you save money and that money you use other areas. Dear my friends, I complete all area around and in middle in center area is a one area tie also because this area is a not fixed original place. This is an I tie this area also because now is equal. Equal means all area is very plain because you fit in the cooler in proper place and this area not this now almost complete. Very easy, not difficult, only need little attention your. This is only small attention and you save your money. Okay, I am showing this frame is completed both side. Okay, and you can use in the cooler. In my main is an example, this is cooler. Okay, this is one sided second and third. Okay, but this is completely very easy. Okay, bye bye. I hope you like this video and you prepare next week. You subscribe and share to the other your friends, dear friends. Okay, maybe you get the advantage. This is a benefit for me.
Allah.
And okay, bye bye.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
My best regard for you.